Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. I had a great watch list. Looking at Schlumberger. What's the other one? Citizen Financial, Las Vegas Sands, SDOW, which is the ETF I like to track. Gilead had good news about some COVID. Was it vaccine? Good trials. Boeing, Dime, the VIX, TVIX, and then I got my ETFs, of course. The XLF was the technology, the XLE, which is energy, and XLK. Oh no, XLF is the financials, and XLE is the energy. And the rest of these is just smash mouth. Was the following the semis, and these ETNs, exchange, tracking the S&P. So it had good value on all those as well. I got a few more down here, but those are the main ones that I was watching for today. As you can see, total P&L was 91 bucks, which is cool. I only traded 3 of those tickers out of the bunch. Those signals came up on those 3 right at the open. I'll go back to them. T-Doc was the first one that I traded. Let me go there. Here. And I got a short right here at the open. Of course, it's the 930 bell popped up, and it got that nice U shape. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this U. Right in here, if you can get this right off of the VWAP, the red line is the VWAP, the blue line is the 5-period moving average, exponential. If you can get this U, that's where you want to be trading on weakness. Right at the VWAP, if you get that cross, that 5-period moving average crossing VWAP. So I took it here, 168.55 right at the close of this candle, and I got this dip, this drop right off of here. Now I didn't get the whole drop, but I got it right up in here, and I closed it out at right at 167. So it was pretty cool. Only 100 shares, so I got the 53 cents on that one. So it's a $53 trade here. And then the next trade was XLK, same thing. Drop this all pre-market. Of course, this is all pre-market, so it's a downtrend. You got your VWAP going down, you got your 5-period moving average going down. Pops back up, and you get that little U. Well, not a little U, but just a super small U. Again, same setup. That 5-period moving average is crossing through VWAP. Next trade is here, right at 89.22. I didn't get the whole thing here. I closed out once it got a green, a red, a green, and then this red here is when I closed it out. 200 shares on that one. So it was a small trade. So my motto is trade small, trade often, and you'll continue to build up your account. Especially great trade management. You got to treat this like a business. Because if you don't have great trade management and risk management, you won't be in business for long. So with that being said, you're not going to get the exact top. You're not going to get the exact bottom as far as your buys and sales. I'm a short bias trader, so I'm looking for something to short. Today's market was strong, so I couldn't really hold as long as I was because the S&P was actually moving up. Right now, the S&P, if I can pull it up, S&P, where are you, the spiders? Yeah, and it was selling off during the day, but at the open here where I was trading those 3 names, it popped right at the open. So here's a 930 bell, and then you got a little shenanigans going over here, but overall it was going up towards about an hour. Right at an hour, first hour was up. So that's when you want to be trading quicker, taking your profits aggressively when the SPY is going against you. The SPY was going with me as far as down up in here. Had I traded like late afternoon or the second or third hour, I would have the SPY going my direction. I could have held a whole lot longer, but I did not because it wasn't going my way. So I'm gonna go ahead to XLF, which is the next trade. Same thing here, same U shape as you saw in the other 2 ETFs and DOC and T-Doc. It's going first opening bell was here. Up, it started to stall and it started to come back down. There's your cross. You got your 5-period moving average crossing over VWAP. Same setup, identical. So those trades are my A+ setups. Anybody can use A+ setups like that. Just 2 lines. So you're gonna see my chart jumbled up with a whole lot of indicators, Bollinger Bands, and graphs, and all just splotched on the screen to covering up my bars. All I have is 2 lines, VWAP and the 5 period EMA, the exponential moving average, and value. That's it, right here at the bottom. 3 things on the chart. And from there you can just do candlestick analysis and see exactly what the chart is doing on these bars, which I'm trading a 3-minute bar. And you can see exactly what's going on. And let the chart, and you be the umpire, and just call them like you see them. You just let the chart tell you what the actual ticker symbol is going to do. Not anticipating, no bias on what I think the chart or ticker should do. I'm just only reading what I can actually see. I'm being an umpire. I'm calling it like I see them. Each trade was the same trade, that same U. Some U direction was smaller than others, especially the T-Dot trade. Go back here, see that U was a little wider, a little bit more defined. Same thing here, U. Same thing here. XLF here, U. Same thing. So being a bricklayer, laying the same brick over and over again, and you're going to build that wall, you're going to build a building, you're going to build a foundation on your trading business if you can do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close this trade out. You see the profit over here, saw the 3 ticker symbols, saw the explanation what I had. Have any comments, put it in below. If not, I'll see you all next time. And as I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.